Bruce Haslett.
Oh, I have to get up here?
Yes, you do. Hold them up and talk about them. Tell us what you did.
I brought 3 things today, 3 intarsia, and this one here, they're all some walnut, cedar, a little bit of pine. This one here takes a little more time. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Other than that, this one here's pretty much all cedar and whitewood pine. And that's about it, I guess.
Where'd you get the plan for the horse
Judy
and buggy?
Gale Roberts' studio. She's dead now. She died, but you can still order the plan. They email it to you. Yeah. Other than that,
She's probably one of the 2, Judy Gale Roberts, one of the 2 leaders in the field of intarsia, and died suddenly within 3 weeks. She was probably only in her mid-50s, just last fall. And but her husband and a couple of her staff continue to work, and they run a on-site workshop in Tennessee, and you can take a 3-day course on-site, and they have 10 workstations and teach you classic intarsia. And classic is always done with wood of different types and grain only. There's a second kind of intarsia where you cut from one piece of wood, all the same, and you add color either with paint or stain. Yeah. Those are the 2 types.
all right, that's about it for me. I mean, oh, I have to tell you a little story about this one here. My granddaughter has a farm up in Guelph, and the great-grandkids, they go to the fall fair in Pushlands, and she says, Grandpa, bring some of your intarsia and we'll put it on there. I said, I don't know. So I took it to her last year, and she says, she phoned me. I had a blue heron, and I had this one, and I won first prize. And I said, Amanda, I'm dealing with 9-year-olds. No, she said, there's adults putting stuff in there. So I felt pretty good with that.
That's good. Bruce would take the dog.
Hey,
What type of dog is that?
a Springer Spaniel.
Okay, was that one in your family or no?
No, it was for a friend.
Okay.
Anyhow, who's next?